Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Yeah, not much price movement here today. Basically nothing. Ethereum tried to break out of this trend channel or descending broadening wedge today. It sort of failed. Yeah, it creates a bit of a fake out or is simply not really accepting or respecting that trend line, but it tried to break out. It failed. It broke down again. So we don't really have any clear indication if it wants to head to 1847 to attack that important resistance level, or if it will come down again in the third wave. We just need to keep an open mind at the moment. I think that is very important. As I said to you, one more low could be enough potentially, yeah, but it needs to be below the third wave, below 1736 basically. And the assumption is that we will do this in a direct sell-off as long as we stay below 1847. But the 1847 level is so-called pivot point, a decision point where probabilities shift. And basically it's actually a very, very objective level because it's an invalidation point for this count. So we cannot assume anymore that this here was a wave 4 top if price breaks above it. Yeah. What I would then have to assume that it's either a higher wave 4, so that this wave 4 is actually sitting here, and we might get an ABC. We've heard that before today because I talked about it, which could go all the way up to around about 1890. If it goes significantly above that, I think we deal with a high B wave, which means this B never finished. It actually sits here, yeah, and this A, which resulted then in a B wave, actually sits down here. So that all of this was just the A wave. We're now doing all of B and would then come down in C. That would be painful, will take a long time to complete. Yeah. So there are a few options, but they only really come up above 1847. Below 1847, I'm going to focus on the downside. Again, I could show you various counts here that are possible, but that doesn't make sense because this pattern will morph anyway, because it, you just know that by looking at the structure. We can see that we currently create 3 waves up, 3 waves down, 3 waves up. So these patterns morph when they are corrective and you have no clear direction, because you need a clear direction by seeing basically 5 waves. We don't have 5 waves at the moment there. It's only 3 up, 3 down, 3 up. So we need to be patient. And there is not much more to add really to what I said previously. The key pivot point remains 1847. Below 1847 price should come down to roughly the golden ratio, the 61.8 extension. No, it's 61.8 retracement of the move between the 10th of March and that April high. This is the retracement. In previous videos, we checked the Fibonacci extensions. Some of them for a possible target down here pointed to around about 1690. So I think we have an important area around that golden ratio level here, where we have confluence of support. But at the moment, it just needs a lot of patience. I mean, theoretically, as long as it is within this channel, this can take forever really. It could take some more days or weeks. Bear in mind, next week, I think it's on Friday, we have core PCE data again. So we've got inflation data, and tomorrow we have our member live stream again at 5 p.m. UTC, in which we're going to talk about wave extensions and how to trade them. Every Sunday we do an educational live stream, so you'll find tons of education in the channel membership if you're interested. But yeah, besides that, there is not much more to add. So just really confirmation that scenario is unchanged. The levels remain valid, and below 1847 bearish, above 1847 tentatively bullish, but probably bearish. Any bullish count would need to prove itself first by showing us a clear 5-wave move to the upside and 3-wave move to the downside. Yeah, and that's really it. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And by the way, before I forget, also check out our Twitter channel. There's additional content in case you're not following us on Twitter yet. So additional content that you will not find here on YouTube. So check that out. And you can find our Twitter handle in the beginning of the video, but also in the video description. And yeah, so please leave a like, subscribe, and also check out the channel membership if you're interested. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.